Poštovani gledajte YouTube kanala Zengi TV, dobrodošli u www.2K17 za PlayStation 2 Universe Mode i sad idemo NXT. Match igramo Dean Ambrose vs AJ Styles. That'd be Dean Ambrose, Intercontinental Champion. Ovaj match vidja Bad News Barrett. Ovo će Stardust. Evo kad je osvojio titulu.
Great match here. But if you missed any of the matches from this week, go to WWE.com. Santino hopes to make a statement here.
Ambrose.
Each of these competitors is looking for the slightest hint of weakness in the Santino. What do you think Primo needs to do here, Kate? Listen, at any moment, and this has got to be it.
1, 2, 3.
Santino wins it.
Tako je Dean Ambrose od lako dobio ovaj match. Shane McMahon!
This match is over yet. Did you forget about your other opponent?
Who will be?
Now ring the bell.
Oh, Zack Ryder! Još 2 sedmice do Paybacka! Još jedan Smackdown. Why?
Ryder going for the cover. Incredible agility. What do you make of Santino, King? Well, I suppose she's thinking all about her women's championship. And if she'll still have it after the bell rings. Santino hopes to make a statement here. It's been an incredible night so far, and King, we still have that big main event to go. That's right. It's gonna be a triple threat main event. Just think, Michael, you can lose the match without being pinned or submitted. King, what do you think Zack Ryder needs to do now? Listen, this is gonna be a tough fight no matter how you look at it. And you know, this is Santino.
Intercontinental Champion.
And the assault continues on the injured torso. His shoulders are down.
1, 2, to Dean Ambrose.
Tino did it.
Eto ga, ovo smo i njega. Eto imamo i Dean Ambrose, ovoga, Zack Rydera. Da sad mogu napraviti. Highbrow. To je bilo sve za večeras, vidimo se sutra na SmackDown Live.